We had this nice, lovely beach in Blanchisseuse here, and we are having breakfast on the beach this morning. So, my husband decided to go out and buy quail eggs this morning for breakfast. So, we are going to do bacon, sausages, quail eggs, and normal eggs. And yes, we do have our
butter,
trusty butter with us. Don't forget that. My first time trying quail egg, so this is what quail eggs.
Guys, let me just show you guys something. So you see how tiny this is? Quail eggs. Tiny. Quail eggs are very tiny, but look at this normal egg. Which one will feed us? Comment down below.
So as you can see, quail egg has like a nice pretty chocolate color look. It actually looks like, to me, like a Easter egg chocolate. This is so pretty.
I want to crack it. Let's crack it.
So we are having
quail eggs and normal eggs.
We have it. Then
our eggs are finished stirred, so we're gonna put this aside right here.
So we're gonna put the bacon on the fire.
Daddy.
So you're putting the bacon on the pan. Pan is still. You put the pan to warm up a little bit.
Just right where they're at. We're gonna put them in here. Well, you can't crack it until you put it in here now. Ooh, listen to that sizzle. Watch your brothers, that too good. Well, I don't know, where are they? No, they're alright.
So we have the bacon cooking up here.
These are nice sugar.
Nice. So we leave that there to cook up for a while. Rihanna has some eggs beat up here.
Check out Mommy's new knife. That looks like an absolute monster.
Ooh, that was a long run. The normal eggs just look yellow like this. And now we're gonna put them in the fire. I can put on?
Come on this side, Rihanna. So you get going on that side. Miriam.
Okay.
You don't go in this side, so you have to stay back.
Just be careful, eh?
Go to the middle. Right.
Now let's go and crack the quail eggs. Come on.
Somebody forgot the tongs and the egg flippers. We won't mention any names. Who forgot? Harry, bring the cracked pepper. It's in the red bag. Those eggs look good. Nice pepper. Want a little salt? Just easy with that, eh?
That's good.
A little more. That's probably good.
Right.
That bacon looking good.
So guys, we're gonna put quail eggs in the pan and this egg, normal eggs though, in the pan. So I'm trying to do an egg in the middle, normal eggs in the middle, and then quail eggs around the normal egg.
Okay,
So let's see how that works out.
Okay, so remember this pan is hot, eh? So you just
We're just practicing. I don't think I'm gonna
gently go down a little closer.
That's gonna.
Yeah, just slow.
That didn't work.
Well,
How are we gonna do this? Normal eggs then?
no, you're gonna try your best.
How do we do this?
Same way. Go closer. You're gonna break it by just dropping it, girl.
And that shell in there.
They can't imagine a child doing adult some
Ew,
stuff
this
as an
is
adult.
normal.
Ah, that one worked.
That
Do two
looks
more. Do
actually-
two more. It looks like a mini tiny egg. Down further. Down closer. Because when it falls down from
Ow!
that one burst and flew all over. That one didn't work so good.
At least
Let me try one.
At least I'm trying.
Yeah, you're trying. Here, you hold this. Got it?
Put it on the fire, I can really. Oh, air getting cold.
It's real difficult, eh?
You see how tiny that is?
Yeah. So there's the size difference. You can see the little tiny
So the
three
little
quail
ones
eggs.
are the quail eggs and the big ones are the normal eggs.
Right.